Hello, meet Beata and Darek, a couple who against all odds retired, bought a catamaran and said, let's have some fun in our golden years. Now we are sailing around the world, laughing and sometimes crying along the way. Welcome to the New Wave adventure.
Welcome to Baths, one of the most iconic and mysterious natural wonders of the British Virgin Islands. Baths, where is the name coming from? So the Baths is a name after fancy spa or something like that. It's about bathing pool-like appearance of the place created by nature over 70 million years ago. They are made up of giant granite rocks, some as large as 40 feet in diameter, which is extremely rare in Caribbean because most of the islands are made of limestone or coral, not granite. It looks amazing. If you look close, some of the mighty granite rocks looks like giant fish frozen in time. They were formed from magma deep underground and over the time pushed their way up.
Znaleźliśmy następne miejsce. Może tu jednak retire zrobimy. Tu postawimy katamaran. Piękna, prywatna plaża. Ja myślę, że może jednak tu retire. Zaparkujemy na stałe. Za dużo miejsc.
And of course, the day wouldn't be perfect if we would not take some pictures. There was a photo shoot time. Even Derek was super excited about it and posing like a pro.
A tam nasz dom stoi.
Next paradise, it's my most reliable transport to the shore. There's friends here on the beach.
We anchor our catamaran just outside the national park. It is finally time to explore the baths. Fingers crossed, the tour buses are gone by now and we don't have to squeeze past 100 people in a flip-flop. We are dreaming of having this rocky wonderland all to ourselves, like VIPs. I know. Here I go, bravely leading the expedition through the ancient labyrinth of the bath, or at least trying to find the way. Meanwhile, Darek is behind me somewhere with the camera documenting everything, ducking under the rocks, trying to keep up. Then I found it. Magical swimming pool hidden inside the cave. No crowds, no noise, just me, the echo of the water and my little mermaid moment.
To będzie jak jeden z tych kamieni się obsunie, nie wiem.
I know. We are lost. I don't know where to go. Like, we are lost. Whew. Goodness. Wow. Hey, handsome. Find a way. Pretty cool. Zobacz, jakie to skały, niesamowite. To wszystko natura zbudowała. Nas zrzucała w jednym miejscu. Wygląda super. That was such a surreal experience, one of the kind. Having this magical place all to ourselves made it even more special. Totally worth the wait, and the moments we will never ever forget. It was time to say goodbye to British Virgin Island, last Georgian Bay anchoring style in a little harbor, and off we go to Puerto Rico.
Georgian Bay, czyli duży kamień do brzegu, z przodu kotwica. Beata menurowała łódką, także się jest.
Chciałam powiedzieć whatever.
A ten z dyngi zaczepiliśmy, a z przodu na kotwicy. Także pokazaliśmy im
Jak się parkuje.
na Georgian Bay.
Dokładnie.
Pulling up black windows once you go down.
In the next episode, we are heading to Culebra, part of the Puerto Rico. And guess what? No overnight sailing this time. Thank goodness, because I hate it. Follow us to see what we discover next, some surprises and probably a few more things which we were not ready for. See ya!